Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add new address to your eFootwear application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the user icon down below, which is the last option, and then tap on my account. Then tap on address book, which is the second option. Here you should add a new address to the contact information section. You need to fill it in first by adding your first name, last name, company name if it's relevant, and your phone number. So by scrolling down, you can see that there's an address section to which you need to type in your address. Also other information such as your city, postal code, country, and so on, as well as your VAT number if you run your own business. So if you want to save all these information and save your new address, click on the save address button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.